Hello and back for my demonstration of an example of handling a large number of files. A lot of users do have audio files, music files, and they do have a lot of them. As I do have, let's say, 20,000 of them. And the question is, how can 20,000 files be handled? I have these 20,000 files on a hard disk in a directory structure, and handling media files in the directory structure is not efficient. So most people are using a media player for handling audio files. And I want to demonstrate here one audio program which is able to handle large number of files. So what we have here is, let's say, one directory or a listing of all the files I do have on the hard disk, which is, well, let's say 20,000. So I can scroll down, but to find those files I'm really interested in, this is not very good. So luckily, the developers of this program developed a filter. So I can define here a filter like ABBA, and this filter is filtering down all the albums and all the titles to just those who contain ABBA in any of these title or interpretation or album name. This filter is applied to all attributes. If I press that button, then the ABBA is only the ABBA filter is only applied to this category. If I press album, then it's only applied to this category. Maybe we can see it better if I put here REM. REM and the album is in the wording remix. So if we apply it to the title, then this list is filtered for the title REM. 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 The thing is, I could define a filter, but only in one of those three attributes: in artist, album, or title. I cannot combine filters of these three. I cannot filter to the detail what I want. So my suggestion would be to be able to add a filter to all of these three attributes. The second thing is, what I can do is I can sort by the year, by the length, but I cannot filter by the year. So if I would say I'm interested in REM in the artists, and I'm interested in the year, I can sort by the year, but I cannot filter by the year. So I need to go down to find those years which are of interest to me. So I would suggest to add the possibility here to add a filter, or to add a filter here, or even to add a filter here, as this artist filter could be applied here, or the album filter can be applied here, or the title filter can be applied. A good thing about this application is that if I say, okay, the artist is REM, obviously these are not the artists I'm interested. I'm interested in those REM, 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 REM. So in each of these categories we have different songs, and these songs are displayed when I click to this here. So I define the filter, because this is defining a filter. What I can do, I can combine these filters, like pressing the control button and adding this artist to my filter. So this filter down list contains all music of all REM artists. This is very important, and is not implemented by all applications. So this multiple selection within an attribute is a very important feature to be able to define good filters. So that's for that application. I hope you get some ideas from that. Thank you very much.